Next, we're going to make the Chinese staircase. You can get as many colors as you want. I chose 3. You can get 4. You can get 2, but you can't use 1 because it just doesn't work. So what you do is you put them all together. You make it probably about 24 inches long, 22 inches. It just depends how big your wrist is. You tie a knot right on the end. You can put 2 just to make it a little bigger so it stays on your clip. Okay. Then I hook it on to my clipboard, or my clip. And what you do is you get your color and you separate it from the other 2. Like this. And you separate it like this. So, you get your color, which I'm using blue, so you get your blue string, and you put it under and sort of make a 4 like that. And you're going to pull the blue string through. And you're going to gently just pull it right to the end. And that makes a knot. So you do it again. Make a 4. When you go under to make the 4. And you pull the blue string in. And pull it. You make a 4, pull the blue string in. And if you want to do like a different colors, you switch colors. You put the blue back in, and I'm going to pull out the red. And you put the blue and the green together over here. So you do the exact same thing. You make a 4, like this, and you pull it through. You make a 4, and you pull it through. You make a 4, and you pull it through. Pull it down to the bottom so it doesn't get loose or anything. Now I'm going to switch to the green color. So you put the red and blue together. So I have the green. So when you make the 4, you want to make sure you go under, not over the other string. And you pull it through. Okay, and this is what it looks like when you're done. And you can make it as long as you want. And you tie it around for your wrist. And you can cut the end of the string off like I'm just about to do. Tie it. Make a knot. And you slip it on your wrist. Just like this.